Back corner, back right corner.
He's down. He's ready. Go, flood it, flood it, flood it.
Back right corner, where are they?
I think it was clear. They're hit, one in the corner's hit.
We have the building.
On the side of the window.
We throw grenades over?
No, not over the roofs.
We throw them over?
No, you've got to go through the gaps, not over the roof, because we have to pretend there's a roof.
Yeah. We'll go through the top.
Back this way. Back this way.
Guys, this guy's got to go back down to rifle shed. I'm dead. I'm not allowed to pass.
I got the.
Start fighting from rifle shed.
I got
Get
the.
ready.
Rifle shed is just down from here.
Down from there, yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah, remember, they're going to be at rifle shed.
But if we get hit.
Respawned at it, so you're going to be ready for a fight.
If we get hit, you got to drop that, and I'll go.
Yeah.
Come on, red team.
Right, let's get a good number.
Get the line of players ahead of us, so that way.
Objective, everyone, come on!
Guys, this is an objective-based game.
As soon as we get out of CQB, yes. Not in CQB.
Get.
Oh, it's rifle shed, that little shit shack down in the corner over there.
A bit further that way.
No, it's further that way.
It's right down
It's
the
the
bottom.
one that they were defending before. So we pushed to.
Okay.
Right. And
Back down to the rifle shed.
Right, guys.
Barry.
That way. Guys, we need to move.
Yeah, take it back down to the rifle shed with the hat.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm not good at
Fucking one back the road again.
Yeah, halfway through. I'm fucking down. Mate, I fucking stacked it. I had absolute shit running. Fell flat on
I know. Try and stay back and let everyone go ahead, so. Yep.
And I'm sweating like a fucking banshee.
I know, James, I know. I was sweating like a banshee as well.
Yeah. Alright.
Where are we going now?
Where's the prisoner?
You got the hat?
Oh, we killed him, did we?
Yeah.
Nice. Could be asked to take hostages. Back to the fob then.
So, no, yeah, no, back down to the building there. This hat and this has got to be down to the rifle shed down the bottom there.
I don't need my
Then we get the gold then.
definitely before you did.
Basically, we're attacking what we defend.
Mark 18 as well. Mark 18 as well.
Modified by Adzi.
Same here.
Adzi's armoury.
Yeah.
Yeah, basically this
He done
one
the
is
full works on this bad boy.
same here. It kept having
Two
problems.
go to it and they're fucking brilliant.
He's brilliant, isn't he? He rocked up in a fucking Nissan GTR as well.
Yeah,
Oh yeah, no.
I was like, that's right.
he turns up to work at airsoft in it sometimes.
He's just trying to come up here as well.
Yeah, he's a good lad.
Yeah, he's done this. He's done this Mark 18, but he's been having problems. He eventually found out it's a tappet plate and nozzle.
I know that direction.
Change your mag.
Will you drop the hat? Can we pick it up?
Yeah.
Yeah.
This and the hat's got to go to the rifle shed. So we drop it, somebody else has got to pick it up.
He's dead, we got his hat. He wouldn't come quietly. So they shot him in the face. Kick the
Right, they've all respawned now. Yeah. I don't know if they've only got one life or they've
He got one life again. Right, let's go.
Yeah, we need to push. Yeah. We'll sit here all day otherwise. Yeah, we'll sit here all day. he is.
I've been hit. He got shot in the leg. Where's his respawn?
Yeah, but it's all That's alright, I've got some more in my pocket, but don't fill that one up.
He got hit as well.
Red team, everyone to the side, hands on! So much more concealment down there.
And I've only got a pistol. So.
Okay, we've got some players up here. Enemy play. Got some enemy players up here somewhere. Whoa!
What's that?
Oh, I saw that and managed to duck out of the way.
Hey, there. That's where they are.
What do you think I wear a helmet?
I can leave my name to your bothered.
Yeah, you better try and cross the field.
There's one there just gone up and gone out. Oh, there he is, there he is. Come on. Oh. One up there, there's one just gone down there. Oh, shit, up my head.
Is that the edge of the...
Okay, well, there's a kiddie there behind the barricade, straight by 12 o'clock.
Oh yeah, I see him sticking out left.
Make him twitch.
Yeah, just waiting for him to stick out.
Yeah, whatever hit me from down there hit hard.
Oh, hit.
That's definitely a heavy CD.
Right in the helmet. Yeah.
Down here on the right, it's got DMR. Well, I told you.
Oh.
Yes, yes. Yep.
Yep.
Yep. Yep.
Marshall.